guys, I'm Samina and welcome to the Cupcake Confession, where I show you how you can learn to make amazing decadent desserts and sweet treats. If this is something that you enjoy, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you do that, also don't forget to ding this little bell button so you will be notified every time I post a new recipe. Today on the Christmas cookie series, we are making orange gingerbread cookies, and we will also be following the pan banging method of baking these cookies by Sarah from the Vanilla Bean blog. I'm going to show you how I made these cookies from scratch. Here you go. We'll first begin by preheating the oven to 180C or 350F. Now here I have some softened salted butter, which I'm going to cream using my electric beaters on medium speed for about 2 minutes till it goes nice and pale and fluffy. To that I'm going to add my dark brown sugar and then cream it again for another minute on medium speed again. In between the creaming process, I also like to use my spatula to go around the sides and bottom of the bowl to make sure all the ingredients are well combined. To this I'm going to add my sweetened condensed milk, and then again on medium speed I'm just going to use my electric beaters and keep beating for about 2 minutes. It'll look really nice and fluffy and light. It'll almost change its texture and look really airy. Now we'll keep that to one side and mix all of our dry ingredients together. Here I have my all-purpose flour, and here I have some gingerbread spice mix, some cornflour and baking soda. So I'm going to add all of these into my all-purpose flour, and once I've done that, I'm going to use my whisk and just whisk all the ingredients well together, because you want the baking soda to mix really well with the rest of the ingredients, because if a stray lump of baking soda pops into your mouth while biting into the cookie, it's going to be bitter and really unpleasant. So really mix that well. Then to that you're going to add some orange zest and give it a good mix as well. So this will perfume the dry ingredients with a nice citrusy zing. And now you're going to keep that aside. In fact, you're going to add the dry ingredient mix into the creamed butter and sugar and condensed milk mix a little at a time. So I like to divide this into 2 installments. I'll add the first installment, use my electric beaters on low speed. I'm going to mix until it just comes together. Then I'm going to throw in the second installment of that flour mix, and then again on slow speed just until it comes together. I'm just going to mix this. You could use a spatula, go around the sides and bottom of the bowl to make sure everything has been collected really well, so all ingredients are uniformly combined. Now I have a cookie sheet, and I'm going to scoop out using an ice cream scoop the cookie dough a little away from each other, because they're going to spread quite a bit. Now these are going to bake in the oven for 11 minutes, but after about 8 minutes, what I like to do is follow the pan banging method by Sarah from the Vanilla Bean blog. So I like to take it out of the oven after the 8-minute mark, really hold it at a height and drop it onto the countertop for a couple of times, pop it back into the oven, then let it go on for a minute, take it back again, and then keep dropping that till it reaches the 11-minute mark. And this is what your cookies will look like. They will have a ripply effect on the sides, and this also goes really crunchy and really crisp, and the center is really lovely, pudding-like and chewy. It tastes like Christmas in a cookie. So guys, this is it. If you like this recipe, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you have any comments, feedback or suggestion, put them down in the comments below. I post a new recipe every Tuesday and Thursday, so if you want to be notified, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And while you do that, also don't forget to ding this little bell button. That way you will be notified every time I post a new recipe. Until I see you again next time, bye.